Ayun na pala. Si Tia.
Ano Minerva?
Life is a warfare. It is a warfare between two standards, the standard of Christ and the standard of Satan. It is a warfare older than the world, for it began with the revolt of the angels. It is a warfare wide as the world. It rages in every nation, every city, in the heart of every man. Satan desires all men to come under his standard. And to this end, he lures them with riches, honors, powers, all that ministers to the lust and pride of men. Christ, on the contrary, invites all to fight under his standard. But he offers no worldly allurement, only himself, only Jesus, only the Son of Man, born an outcast, raised in poverty, rejected as a teacher, betrayed by his friends, crucified as a criminal. And therefore, his followers must be ready to suffer what he suffered: poverty, persecution, betrayal, at times even death. But Jesus, the Son of Man, is also Jesus, the Son of God. And therefore, his followers shall not be confounded forever. They are certain of ultimate victory. Against them, the gates of hell cannot prevail. The powers of darkness shall splinter before their splendid battalions. Battle-scarred but resplendent, they shall enter into glory with Christ, their King. Two armies, two standards, two generals, and to every man there comes the imperious cry of command. Choose Christ or Satan. Choose sanctity or sin. Choose